So, polishing them to paint them?
Yeah, just getting them ready for paint.
Do you grab some brake clean? Or
Yeah, where is it?
it's in the back of the truck.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Good old brake clean. Most toxic shit on earth.
Yeah. But it's damn good degreaser.
Oh yeah. What size of blocks are these?
5 inch.
5 inch. So the truck is already at
4. It's well, the
4
blocks
inches.
in them are 4 inches. It's going up another inch.
yeah, going up another inch.
Should level it out.
Yeah.
Spray and go.
Paint them blue. Cheap way to make a block look nice.
Yeah. I'm a little worried about that one though. That I don't know if I have to drill that hole out or what the hell.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you want to get a close up there?
Not how it is.
Okay.
I'll be replacing that block right there. Oh, you can barely see it, but be replacing that block. Looks pretty good.
Like it?
Yeah. Matches the damn plastic.
Yeah, it's like a perfect match.
Yeah, it matches the plastic perfectly. It's funny. So, now we are going to be placing the blocks that we painted that are over there in the truck. Now it's better daylight and it's not raining. I'll be able to see. And we're replacing this block right here, and we'll add another inch or so. And yeah.
Debris off the bolts.
Yep.
You shouldn't be much on them, but
Yeah. Considering this truck was in the spring shop.
yeah.
Lubricate the bolts. Size wrench is that?
15/16.
15/16.
Ooh.
Should be interesting.
Yeah, considering I can't get the wrench in there.
Uh-oh.
May have to take the wheel off. Oh. I can probably do that one from there, but yeah, the other ones I'm not sure.
You have to take the wheel off?
I might have to, just a second here. Put this over here. Okay. Holy shit, he could have it tight, man, that guy.
On there, it's fucking tight.
Yeah. I would say quite tight.
Can we get like a socket in there if we fucking took off the wheel? Fuck.
I'm gonna need another wrench so I can double wrench it.
Another wrench?
Yeah.
Need another wrench so we can double wrench here. Should work.
Shit, they're tight. This guy didn't fuck around when he put in fucking bolts
Should we
on.
take the tire off?
Huh?
Should we take the tire off?
Okay. There. Once you loosen one, the opposite side loosens up, so that won't be too bad. leaves and not from the axle. So we would have to lift it up, take the wheel off, and then drop the drum down onto a block or something, so that we can lift the leaves. Yeah, it's on there now. Perfect.
Perfect. And we can use a socket.
You know what, at this point we can actually use the drill to get the rest of it.
Perfect.
It's all just threads now.
Oh,
Ain't that just fucking typical? A little work on these ones, but not on that one. I had to take this U-bolt all the way out in order to get a wrench.
Yeah, this guy did not use new U-bolts.
No.
Fucking liar. You gonna take the U-bolt straight up? Out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
There's one U-bolt. Second U-bolt is loose enough. Now for the dangerous part, to lift it with blocks from the leaves.
Let's see what else we got around here we can lift.
We're gonna die. Mark my words. This ain't ghetto at all. This is why it's called ghetto mechanics. If we don't lose our lives, I'll be surprised.
If they take our lives, they'll never take our dignity.
Oh fuck.
Cheesy.
No, it's the what we're doing.
Oh yeah, it's definitely not fucking safe.
Do you think NCSO or OSHA would approve?
Yeah, WCB or anything like that.
Any safety organization would not approve. But fuck it. That's how we do it in Canada.
We do what we gotta do, man.
Yep.
And where's that breaker bar?
It's on the yeah.
Nice.
Oh, all that nice road salt.
Up and away.
Pray to God that bottle jack doesn't fail.
Well, the bottle jack won't fail, but I'm sure maybe the block's good.
The brick
We
splits.
gotta hope the truck doesn't want to fucking slide this way is the big thing.
Should we shift the skidoo to that side?
I think it'll be okay.
Famous last words.
Yeah, pretty much. We got a long way to go up before it lifts off the fucking ground, that's for sure.
Oh boy.
We may not have enough fucking enough throw in this jack to make it.
That's it.
That's maxed out.
She maxed out.
Yeah, that's not enough.
Not enough?
We are gonna have to put it here.
Oh boy. That ain't the most fucking ghetto thing I've ever seen.
Hey now.
That's one way to lift the truck.
That's not baby there, and also the breaker bar. Okay, thanks. Huh?
We have run into an issue. Sway bar is picking up the tire. So why won't the camera focus? Sway bar.
What size is that gonna be?
Good. 12. That was a 15, so 14.
Yeah, I don't have a deep socket 14, unfortunately.
Try 13.
I don't have a deep socket 13. 15's the smallest I got.
Fuck. Oh. Wait. I got it.
Oh, yeah, you do. Go get it.
Suck it set to the rescue.
Hopefully, we can actually get this off. Just as I thought. Just as I fucking thought. The possibility this could break.
You owe me a socket.
No, not your socket.
Oh. Actually.
Oh, it is turning. Where is it?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, here it is.
Oh. Got her.
Okay.
And back up we go.
At least I think that's what was holding it.
Should be. Is the tire lifting?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Oh, we're
it's
good.
going up. Have a view inside. It's already off the axle.
Oh yeah. New block.
Indeed.
Okay. Is it held on there? Oh yeah.
There's little pins that hold it in.
That's the old block.
Wait a second, see? This one doesn't have a tit on it. It's supposed to have a titty. There's supposed to be a titty.
No tit?
No titty. Why is there no titty?
Do you need that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty important. Otherwise the block can shift. Right?
Yeah.
You gotta go up more.
Oh, just look at that. Needs to go up a little bit more.
Yeah, she's definitely fucking bigger.
That's for fucking sure.
Let's see.
Wait, there's a tit at the top that holds it in.
I know, but you need one on the bottom too.
Okay.
See, this one has a titty on the top. Or this one's for the bottom, I guess. Now, you know, there is a way to do it. If we can find a bolt that size, we can cut the head off the bolt. That'll stop it from shifting. Yeah, like that. Okay, Johnny.
Okay.
I'll need you to crack that jack and just slowly, super slowly let it down.
All right. Got more?
No, yeah, just a second here. back up a little more. Okay, hold it. Okay, I'll go up more. Keep going. There we go. Okay, stop. Okay, slowly let it down just a little bit.
All right, second. Again.
Okay.
Let it down?
Let her down, yeah.
Like slow?
Yeah, slow, but you can let her right down. You can take all the weight off if you want. Perfect. Holy shit, that's a lot higher now. Okay.
Okay. Oh, fuck, that's a tire.
That's way higher now. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's where we wanted it. Excellent.
Okay, so the block is in. Now all I need to do is put the U-bolts back and tighten the sway bar. And we're done. For this side, at least. And the same side, other side's the same process. Alright, well, we got the block in. Now he's tightening up the U-bolts. And we gotta get the sway bar tightened. And that's it for this side. And then tomorrow we'll do the other side. Because it's getting very late.